Hi, my name is Matthew Hernandez, and today I will be going over CPI and inflation rates for 8 products that I have selected, which are fuel oil, gasoline, ground chunk meat, chicken, milk, apples, coffee, and electricity, all within a span of 2 years from 2013 to 2015 within the month of September. I calculated the total CPI, total market, basket totals by simply adding the variables from each year. For 2013, I got a total of 22.345, and for 2014, I got a total of 23.25, and in 2015, I got a total of 20.08. Now that I have collected the totals, I can now calculate the total CPI for each year. The equation for CPI is the cost of CPI basket at the current price divided by the cost of CPI basket at the base price multiplied by 100. So for 2013, it is the base year, so you divided the 22.345 and then divided by the base year price, which is 22.345, and then I multiplied that by 100, and then I got a total of 100 as my answer for 2013. For CPI for 2014, I got 23.25 divided by 22.345 and then multiplied by 100, and I got 104.05 for the CPI for 2014. And for 2015, I basically did the same thing, multiplied by 100, and then I got a total of 89.86 for the CPI. Now that I have the total CPI, I can now calculate the inflation rate, which the equation is CPI of the current year subtracted by CPI of the previous year, divided by CPI of the previous year multiplied by 100. So that 2013 was the base year, so you couldn't calculate the inflation rate for that year. So 2014, we had to start at 2014, and I got 104.05 subtracted by 100, which was the base year price, and then I divided by 100, multiplied by 100, which gave me 4.5% as the inflation rate for 2014. For 2015, I got 89.86 subtracted by 104.05, which was the current year. And then I divided by 104.5 and multiplied by 100, which gave me negative 13.5%, which caused a deflation rate. Now that I have gotten the inflation rate and the CPI totals, I can now start talking about the benefits of CPI and inflation rates. From the 8 products that I have chosen, the price went down quite a bit from 2013 to 2015, as you can see on this picture, causing a deflation, which is really good for consumers like me, and because it is less money that I have to spend, but it can also be bad for businesses because it's less money that they can have. So calculating the CPI and inflation rates per year can help myself and yourself see prices for goods and services, and can also see trends that are occurring right now, and you can also see trends from the past and the present as well.